Happy Women's Day to all our viewers. On the occasion of Women's Day, we are here in Thane district's Mumra city. So, women from Mumra are not just celebrating Women's Day, but they are taking charge on the streets. Now, thousands of people come here in Mumra during the Ramzan in Mumra and Kausa for shopping as well as festivities, just like the bustling streets of Muhammad Ali Road. What makes Mumra interesting is that all the female volunteers from the MSP Foundation are taking charge and they are controlling the traffic. As you can see, these women from the MSP Foundation, they are regulating the traffic. They help people navigate the streets through crowded roads, help pedestrians cross the roads. We have with us Ms. Marzia Pathan. Ma'am, your foundation has been doing this work from last 5 years. So how you guys are regulating the traffic?
सबसे पहले Happy Women's Day to all the women hearing this. And since last 4 years, MSP Care Foundation has been doing this with Sultana Welfare Trust. Since last 4 years, we are regulating traffic in the month of Ramadan, and this is our 5th year. What is unique is that we have so many women volunteers, and if you are, connecting Women's Day with women volunteers who are regulating traffic, then it is really good. Why? Because what is Women's Day? These days, this is a very big example of how we are able to reach equality, right? How women are stepping out of their homes and working. So I think this is a very great example, and coming it from Mumra, where there are so many misconceptions about Mumra that we hear every second day, but in reality, when you come to Mumra and when you see this kind of scenarios, I think the perceptions changes, and we have so many women volunteers here working. They work in 2 shifts, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening, because that is the rush hour, peak hour before Roza, before Iftar, and then at night 10 to 2 a.m. Right now we are doing it at night 10 to 2 a.m.
So in the midnight also traffic is regulated?
Yeah, because see, initially though, now till 10th Roza traffic is little less, but once the first 10 days of Ramzan passes, traffic rises, it increases, and that time we need more volunteers. So after 10th Roza we increase our volunteers.
So how many areas are there that you regulate the traffic? In which areas mostly?
Mumra station, because just now you told me that you passed by that area and you saw our volunteers over there. So Mumra station, Shimla Park, this Darul Falah, Tanwar Nagar, whole Mumra Kausa, and we have our whole team. So many people are cooperating in this with us. So thanks to everyone, because one man cannot do this, one man or women, we need the whole team. So there are so many people who have been cooperating, who have been helping us to do this.
Are the traffic police assisting in this your work?
Yeah, they are assisting, but as we hear that they are short of manpower. They don't have a lot of manpower to assist so many people. So yeah, this is our city, and we have our own responsibilities also to take care of our city. Because see, when people are coming here, how we used to go to Muhammad Ali Road, right? We used to spend there. In Khawgali, in shopping, but now when people are coming in Mumra, they are spending in Mumra. So Mumra ka overall development is happening. So this is I think this is all our responsibility too, to take care of the people who are coming in Mumra for Khawgali, for shopping.
So what are the encounters that you face? Like, do people listen to your instructions? And what kind of instructions do you give them regarding the whole traffic scenario? And when women give instructions, what is their risk?
That is what I love, that when women are giving instructions, everyone is listening. I have encountered this is the new discovery that I have understood, that people have become more gentle towards women, educated. They have understood that if a woman is giving you instruction, they are little kind enough and they are listening. But yeah, there are always exceptions. Some people who don't listen to you no matter what, if you're a woman or a man, there are always some people who will never listen to you, but it's okay, they are also our people. Today or tomorrow they will see our efforts and they will, you know, help us. But mostly 95% of the people, men, women, children, everyone, they are cooperating. That is why I love my city, I love my Mumra, I love my people of Mumra, because they genuinely, they are very kind and they do listen.
मेरा नाम जैस्मिन है, मैं 4 साल से ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट कर रही हूँ। अभी मेरा ये 5वां साल है ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट का। तो यहाँ जो है हम लोग मर्जिया मैम की वजह से खड़े हैं जो भी, और यहाँ जो है हम लोग जो है लोगों को रॉन्ग में आने से रोकते हैं। यहाँ पे जो दुकान वाले आगे लेते हैं, जो ठेला आगे लेते हैं, उनको हम पीछे करते हैं ठेले को। और रात जैसे कि हम लोग का टाइमिंग जो है, रात में हम लोग 10 बजे आते हैं, 2 बजे तक रहते हैं। हमारे साथ मर्जिया मैडम खुद भी यहाँ पे खड़े रहते हैं, और यहाँ पे औरतों के पर्स वगैरह चोरी ना हो उसका भी पूरा ख्याल रखा जाता है। जो लेडीज़ लोग रखे हैं, तो जो लेडीज़ लोग रहते हैं वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम लेडीज़ को ज़्यादा अच्छे से और बेहतरीन तरीके से बता सकते हैं। रात के 2-2 बजे तक, काफ़ी घरों में ऐसा रहता है कि रात के 2-2 बजे तक लोगों को रास्ते पे खड़ा रहने नहीं दिया जाता, मगर जैसे कि हमारी मैडम है, उस मतलब उनका नाम ही ऐसा है कि उनका नाम सुन के ही लोग मतलब औरतों को घर से बाहर निकलने देते हैं।